Sometimes you gotta burn the old map to find a new road. Smoke in the rear view, town getting smaller. Yeah. Every mile away, yeah, makes my shoulders lighter. In the rivers like it made me strong. Turns out some weight ain't yours for long. Spent years fighting battles that were already gone, holding on to memories long after they moved on. Now the radio's playing something old and blue, and the highway's teaching what I need to do. Let the ashes fall. You don't need them all. There's smoke in the but the road's still clear. Everything I burned down got me standing here. Some bridges had to fall, some chapters had to end. Just because it's over don't mean I won't begin again. Smoke in the rear view, fading with the night, and for the first time in a while, everything feels right. Every crack mistake, every sleepless night, every wrong decision helped me read the signs. Life ain't clean and leaves scars behind, but scars are proof you survived the climb. Now the wind through the window feels a little different, like freedom finally showed up without permission. Maybe healing ain't a place, maybe it's a road, maybe it's finally learning when to let things go. The past is getting smaller with every mile I drive. There's smoke in the rear view, but the road's still clear. Everything I burned down got me standing here. Some bridges had to fall, some chapters had to end. Just because it's over don't mean I won't begin again. Yeah. You can't drive forward looking through the rear view. Down up ahead, the man I used to be ain't the man that's left, and every mile I'm driving feels lighter than before, 'cause I finally quit carrying what wasn't mine anymore. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta burn the old map to find a new road.